you just created a cool new template to use in Logseq, but it's not working as you want it to. First, I'll run you through the problem and then I'll show you how to fix it. As of this video, there's no other real workaround. This is a limitation of the Logseq UI. So I have a template for ideas. So the way that it would work is I write like cool new idea or something, and then I'll tag it with here. And if we go into the idea tag, it's fairly basic. It just contains the built-in status property and a property for channel. And channel in this context is, say, like YouTube, Reddit, Substack, whatever. So you write your cool new idea and you want to assign the channel to it. And you click on this to set a channel, but there's no options here. So how do you get some options to populate this? So at first I thought it was as simple as just setting the node tag to channel. So what we'll do now is we'll create a tag called channel, and this doesn't need to have anything, doesn't need to have any properties, it doesn't extend anything other than the root tag. And what I thought was if you go here and you specify the node tag and then you select channel, right? And I thought, okay, that's cool, but how do you actually get it to work? Because obviously nothing still comes up here. So what you need to do, whoops, I forgot a step, let me fix it. And then we can create a page for YouTube. And then on that page, we need to go into the title and then put the channel hashtag in there. Okay, now that's working. All right, so now we've got the channel hashtag there and we've assigned it to the YouTube page. So now if we go back here and we want to assign this, now you'll see the YouTube option there. And just a note here, you should check this, multiple values. So that means, what that means is, so if we want to, let's create a page for Reddit, and then we do the same thing. We come in here, we do hashtag channel, that adds the channel tag to Reddit as well. So that means if we want, we can then come in here and we can select multiple. So we can have YouTube as a channel and Reddit as a channel. At the moment, this is the only way that I can see it working. And there was one other problem that I had where you see the linked references here, it just shows up like this. There's no table or anything like that. But I also found that you can change the view. So you click on this hamburger menu and go click on table view, and look, you have a nice table view and it includes the tags created at, updated at. So you can then sort by, so this is just for Reddit, right? So if we want to see all of them, we can go to the idea tag here, and then any ones that come up you can sort by the channel, right? Okay, but I mean, you can change this view. Doesn't matter whether it's the linked references or the table that shows up under a tag, you can change that and you can then order it by status. I mean, you can do whatever you could do with a regular table, you could do here as well. All right, so I hope that helps, and yeah, see you in the next one.